Welcome to our guide on how to make money online for free. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your current job or start a new career, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and explore some of the best ways to make money online without spending a dime. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill or talent such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients from around the world who are willing to pay for your expertise. It's a great way to showcase your skills and build a portfolio while earning money. Next, let's talk about online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or services. There are numerous websites that offer paid surveys such as Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Simply sign up, complete surveys, and earn cash or gift cards in return. It may not be a huge income, but it's an easy and free way to make some extra money. Another option is to become an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and start promoting products through your website, blog, or social media channels. With the right strategy and audience, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online. If you're a creative individual, consider selling your crafts or artwork on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. These websites allow you to showcase and sell your unique creations to a global audience. Whether you're into painting, jewelry making, or knitting, there's a market out there for your talents. It's a great way to turn your hobbies into a profitable online business. Lastly, let's not forget about YouTube. If you have a passion for creating videos, you can monetize your channel and earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or product placements. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with dedication and quality content, you can turn your hobby into a full-time income. So there you have it, a few ways to make money online for free. Remember, it's important to approach these opportunities with a realistic mindset and put in the necessary effort to succeed. With determination and perseverance, you can start earning money online and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with it. Good luck!